So the simple question that sort of, I guess, launched Farm Fresh is like, why can't I buy a local apple in the local grocery store here in Rhode Island?
So when we bought this site, there were industrial buildings of the 19th and early 20th century that had suffered from a very serious fire. And in order to support local farms and can keep them sustainable, we need a certain kind of infrastructure that supports that. We are providing a space that permits very vibrant farmers markets.
This is where a lot of people showed that a local food system can be resilient, a local food system can be viable, and that in the face of crises that make food distribution and accessibility for food much harder, that if we don't support and continue to invest in our local producers, that we're not investing in our future.
What we took ownership of was a 3-acre site that no longer had any buildings on it. This was a Brownfields site, so we did remediation. We are managing 100% of our stormwater. Roof water, rainwater, everything is captured here, filtered, either in chambers below our parking lot or in bioretention gardens. I actually think this is a demonstration project in environmental stewardship.
This building obviously is a game changer. And I thought everybody knew about Farm Fresh, and then people are like, whoa, I didn't know about this. So, you know, a farmer's market is a fleeting, like 4-hour-a-week thing, but it brings a secondary economy with it. And that's one of the things I was really excited about this building, and what we're doing is we have our space, but we have co-locators here as well.
Harvest Kitchen is a youth training program that connects youth coming through the juvenile justice system with training opportunities in the culinary fields.
And I love seeing the farmers connecting with the youth, and I love seeing the youth learning how to cook. Farm to School is either gardening or consuming local food or learning about local agriculture.
To ensure that students in our schools are getting the best meals possible, and also understanding the importance of where food comes from, how it was grown, and how it gets to their plate.
You know, public health and the environment are sort of the victims of people not really understanding how their culinary choices, their food choices, make a huge impact.
And farmland is very precious. So the last thing Farm Fresh should be doing is going to a rural area and taking tillable farmland off the market. To practice smart growth, you really want to try to develop in an already developed area, enhancing or reinforcing that where needed to suit our purposes.